Hello everyone, I am Mr. Tariq and now we're talking about trigonometric function of double angle part 2. So we have here sine a over 2 equal positive or negative root 1 minus cosine a all over 2, and cosine a over 2 equal positive or negative root 1 plus cosine a over 2, and tan a over 2 equal positive or negative root 1 minus cosine a over 1 plus cosine a, where cosine a not equal negative 1. The sine of is determined according to the quadrant at which the angle A over 2 lies in. So, let we start to solve examples. Find the value for each of the following without using calculator. Cosine theta over 2. Knowing that sine theta equal negative 4 over 5. So, we will use the first rule, sine theta over 2 negative 4 and 4 over 5. So, we can get it from the third quadrant, theta between 180 and 270. So this is theta, and the opposite will be 4, 5, and this will be 3 according to Pythagoras, and the signs here will be negative and here is negative, and the hypotenuse always positive. So we have here sine theta and cosine theta, negative 3 over 5, and sine theta, negative 4 over 5. We need to find the cosine theta over 2. We can use the second rule, cosine theta over 2, positive or negative, root 1 plus cosine theta over 2. So it will be positive or negative root 1 plus cosine theta, which equal to negative 3 over 5 over 2, which equal to positive or negative 2 over 5. So it will be 1 over 5 root 1 over 5, which equal root 5 over 5. So cosine theta over 2 equal positive or negative root 5 over 5. And theta over 2 lies on 180 less than theta less than 270. Divide by 2 to both sides. So 180 will be 90 less than theta less than 270 divided 2, so it will be 135, and this will be theta over 2. So theta over 2 between 90 and 135, so it will be in the second quadrant. So you will find that cosine theta over 2 equals to negative root 5 over 5, and the positive will be refused. The second one, cosine to 22 degree and 30 minutes. Find the value of cosine 22 degree and 30 minutes. This is mean it will be cosine 45 over 2, which equal to root 1 plus cosine 45 all over 2 equal root the positive root, not the negative, because this angle in the first quadrant, so it will be 1 plus root 2 over 2 all over 2. And the second one, tan 15. Tan 15 we can use the third law, positive or negative root 1 minus cosine over 1 plus cosine, double the angle. So it will be tan 30 over 2, which equal, I will take the positive root, not the negative, because 15 in the first quadrant, 1 minus cosine 30 over 1 plus cosine 30. So 1 minus cosine 30 equals to 1 minus root 3 over 2 over 1 plus root 3 over 2. Prove the correctness of the identity cosec 2x plus cotangent 2x equal cotangent x. Then use this identity to find the value of cotangent 15. So cosec 2x plus cotangent 2x. Take the left hand side. Cosec equal 1 over sine 2x, and the cotangent will be cosine 2x over sine 2x. So it will be 1 plus cosine 2x over sine 2x. Expand cosine 2x and sine 2x. The first 1 plus cosine 2x will be 2 cosine power 2x minus 1 over sine 2x will be 2 sine x cosine x. Negative 1 will cancel with positive 1, so 2 cosine power 2x over 2 sine x cosine x. Cancel 2 with 2, and power 2 is a cosine in the denominator, so the remainder will be cosine x over sine x, which equal to cotangent x, equal to the right hand side. To find the cotangent 15 equal to, by substitution about x equal 15 equal cosec 30 plus cotangent 30. Cosec 30 equal 1 over sine 30, which equal to 2, plus cotangent 30 1 over tan 30, which equal root 3. Another one, cosine. Proves that cosine 2x equal 1 minus 10 power 2 over 1 plus 10 power 2x. Then find the value of 1 minus 10 power 2, 15 over 1 plus 10 power 2, 15. So we can take the left hand side, cosine 2x, to find this value, or take the right hand side, which is more difficult, 1 minus 10 power 2, which equal to 1 minus sine power 2x over cosine power 2x, all over 1 plus sine power 2x over cosine power 2x. Multiply both numerator and denominator by cosine power 2, so it will be cosine power 2 times in both numerator and denominator, so cosine power 2x minus sine power 2x over cosine power 2x plus sine power 2x. This will be 1, and the numerator will be cosine 2x, so cosine 2x over 1, which equal to cosine 2x. This is the left hand side. Another one, 1 minus 10 power 2 over 1 plus 10 power 2, 15 equal cosine, according to this rule, equal to cosine double 15 equals 30, which equal root 3 over 2. Another example, find the value of a trigonometric ratio. If 4 sine e plus 3 cosine e equals 3, prove without using calculator that tan e over 2 equal 4 over 3, where e is the measurement of the positive acute angle. So we can here expand sine e to 4 times 2 sine e over 2 cosine e over 2 plus 3 cosine e equal to 3. Cosine e will be 1 minus 2 sine power 2 e over 2, which equal to 3. So here will be 3 minus 6 sine power 2 e over 2 equals 3, and here will be 4 times 2 equal 8 sine e over 2 cosine e over 2. 3 will be